toilet paper. All mine. Toilet paper? No problem. Not enough toilet paper. We're going for a drive, we're looking for some toilet paper. Roads are really empty compared to usual. Most people are working from home now instead of driving around, which is the right thing to do. So let's go see and get some toilet paper. Doesn't seem too busy around here. Well, lots of ice cream, lots of yogurt, lots of eggs, a little bit of milk left, but pretty empty otherwise. Lots of meat too. Water, bread, fruit. Just no toilet paper left. I just have one question to ask you people that are hoarding toilet paper. What the f are you thinking? So guys, there you have it. Pretty much everything was in stock except for toilet paper, because clearly toilet paper is what we need to help protect against COVID-19. COVID-19 clearly gives you the runs so uncontrollably that people have to go hoard toilet paper. Bravo, people. Bravo. Oops, I just shot the wall. Before I can install this bidet, I need to get dressed up for the job. Why isn't this working? Jeez. Oh, I think I know why. If you take a look at the manual right here, step 4, this is what I just finished. It goes all the way to step 9. Math is hard. Someone can't count. All right, we're step 5. Oh, step 5. Look right here. Now we have to go connect the water. Let's go do that. All right, so it's all installed now. So let's go try this thing out. Oh. Okay, that was like really low. That was just like 1 notch. Oh my God, that was like barely over a notch. I'm scared to put it in high. I feel like I'm gonna get an enema if I do that. Oh. Oh, that's cold. This one doesn't have warm water. Okay, that was in the wash setting. There is a woman section. Let's see what happens if I turn to the woman section. Turn it on minimal. Woo! It's warming a place that is ahead of my butt. Ladies, this does work. It's pretty cold. Yes, put it back to wash mode. That was with pressure at medium. Let's put the pressure on low. Let's see what it's like with that T adapter. Okay. Woo! No, that was high. Other way, other way. Oh. Oh. Definitely recommend getting the T adapter with the adjustable knob on it. I feel like the water pressure, at least here in Edmonton, is extremely high. So if you just use the one that comes with the bidet, you're gonna get an enema. But holy moly, my butt feels clean and this is great. Let's try it again. That's such a clean butt, guys. This is great. My butt's cold, but it's clean. Okay. And that's why bidet makes so much sense. Having a clean butt cleaned with water is a lot better than just cleaning it with paper. Imagine it's a beautiful sunny day outside and you're going for a walk amidst all this social isolation. And then you slipped and you landed in a bunch of dog poop. It got all over your hands. Would you want to use paper or would you want to wash your hands? You tell me. However, would I completely replace my toilet paper with bidet? I don't know if I would. I haven't had the bidet for too long, so I would probably use the bidet in conjunction with a little bit of toilet paper. So I think the main advantage here is you get a cleaner butt and you can dry it with a little bit of toilet paper and just use a lot less toilet paper to clean your butt. Could you use a bidet without using toilet paper? Absolutely. Use a towel. I mean, every time you take a shower, you just use a towel, right? So if you have a designated butt towel, absolutely. Makes total sense to use a bidet. You save on paper usage. you don't have to deal with the crazies at the supermarket that try to hoard toilet paper. So whichever way you go, whether it's sticking with a bidet or using a bidet with toilet paper, having a bidet is a lot better than no bidet. And bidet is life. So it's been 24 hours since I've installed the Luxe Bidet Neo 185, and I gotta say, it's still great. I had a chance to dial in the water pressure, so now I can give myself a nice satisfying clean at a reasonable water flow without using toilet paper, but also without giving myself an enema. I hope you guys like my review of the Luxe Bidet Neo 185. If you like my video, if you're a person, if you want something to be entertained by during this pandemic, then I'd love for you to subscribe. Heck, if you live on planet Earth, if you're a human being, subscribe. Until then, stay safe and be noble.